Hey guys, what's up? It's Mansi. Welcome back to my channel. You might be quite surprised by this backdrop that you see. That's because I am not in my hostel room, which is usually where I record my videos. I am at home because my internship ended, so I don't really have a lot going on these days. Anyways, so a few days back, I was hanging out with my friends. We were talking about all the wonderful days we spent in college and all the things that we were talking about, all the fun things that we did in MBBS. That got me to thinking all the things that exclusively only MBBS students experience. Like, there are a lot of things that not all college students in every course get to experience. As I was going through all the things that were coming to my mind, I thought it would be a good idea to write them down so that I don't forget any of them. Okay, so I'm going to try and cover all of these points. It should come as no surprise when I mention that dissection hall stories and dissection hall experience as a whole is something exclusively meant for us as medical students. Seeing cadavers for the first time, seeing the inside of a human body, come on, I mean, it's a big deal. You do hear a lot of horror stories about it before actually starting off with dissection hall classes, but once you actually start attending them, it becomes a really fun experience. So you have these demo sessions and then you have your group and you're gathered around the table. We had a lot of girls in our group, so girls have this inherent ability to gossip. It's something that comes innately to us and we can't stop, and I used to indulge in gossip as well as usual. So so yeah, we used to do that, and it was looking back now in first year, it is one of the most memorable experiences that I have of MBBS. It is one of the most unique and the most fun experience. Attending college fests is not something very exclusive to medical students, but I would say that attending college fests for medical students is a whole different experience than any other college student, because we as medicos are not that used to social gatherings on a very regular basis, because our idea of a social gathering mostly involves sitting in a group and group studying. When you compare it to engineering college or any other college, you would see a lot of social events happening there just for the sake of it. But in medical college, you do get only once a year the time when you can let loose, go wild, celebrate it the best way you can. And that is what college fest means to us. So every college has a different tradition, every college has a different way of celebrating that annual fest, and there are a lot of events, a lot of activities that we can take part in. I think I was thinking about the internship period when I wrote this down, because mostly for me, midnight chai runs happened in internship time. So when I used to get a night duty, it's usually a 12-hour duty or 16-hour duty. It gets a bit hectic, so you need a break, and that break at midnight usually can mean going out for chai. So there are these tiny tea stalls that are open just outside college, and every college has that sort of a thela where you go and where all the kids go and hang out. We also have that, and mostly chai runs equate to taking a break at midnight. So this is also a really fun experience, and I remember a lot of days, a lot of nights when it turned out to be sort of a memorable experience and something to take from. Mostly, it's just about having fun and chilling with your friends, going out with your seniors, with senior doctors when you're taking a break, and then just sort of professionally bonding with them is also something you get to experience when you're a medical student. I am not a tea person. I've never been a tea person. I don't drink tea at all, and after 5 years of spending time in college, I now can have tea anytime someone asks me if you want tea. So 5 years ago, if you would have asked me to have chai, I would have said no straight away. But now, whenever someone offers me chai, I don't refuse and I take it. I think the whole credit goes to MBBS life, because in these 5 years, whenever I'm at hospital, a lot of people, actually everyone, is having tea. Whenever you're taking a break, you're having tea. So this sort of tea experience is, I think, also uniquely associated with MBBS, and I think that happens in every college. Bunking classes to go out is also something I would associate as a fun and a unique experience for MBBS students, even though for every college students, it's sort of a given, to bunk classes and, go out with friends. So attendance is sort of a dicey issue for us MBBS students, because it comes as a very important criteria for, sitting in exams, because practical knowledge is very important, and clinical exposure is also very, very important. As a future doctor, we need to have some sort of experience at the hospital, with the clinical postings. And so attendance and attending classes becomes an important aspect of whether we are able to give exams or not. So yeah, it depends from college to college how the strictness works. The wildest experience that I can think about is actually going out on for a live comedy show before my gynae exam. This was, I think, the wildest thing that I had done, because I had my pre-prof exam of Obs Gynae the next day, and the day before that I was at Kanan Gill's show. I was so tensed and I couldn't laugh at most of his jokes, even though he is a very funny guy. But I was so tense that I would fail the next day. But actually, I passed with flying colors. So it was a really good experience, even though it was not relaxing at all. So the next thing that I'm going to mention is not the most cliche thing to mention when you think about having fun in MBBS, but for me it was very inspiring and cherishable moment. So when you get posted in PSM, which is preventive and social medicine, also called as community medicine, you get posted in rural areas as well, so that you get an idea about how the healthcare system works in our country, what are the different healthcare programs that the government has set up, and all these things, and how they are being carried out, how well they are being carried out, and what is the current situation of healthcare in our country. All of these things you get to see when you actually go to the rural setting, actually go to the villages where you get posted. So while the first time that I went to my rural posting, I was actually a bit sad to see that people were so unaware of a lot of things. But then I saw this as an opportunity. I saw that as an opportunity, and I got to see what our role was. Like, as medical students, our role was to not only assess the situation and learn from it, but also take away from that, so that in later life, when we actually become experienced doctors, we can apply all of those things that we learned from the rural posting. So I think this is also something uniquely associated to being a medical student. You get to, see things from a really grown-up perspective, and you get to learn things, and you get to see the current situation, and everything that you can change. You actually get to experience all of that. I think that can be a life-changing experience. So for me, going to the rural postings and going to villages and seeing the current system really opened my eyes about a lot of things. So the fun part here is knowing that you can help them, knowing where your place is as a doctor and why you're doing what you're doing. One day you can help these people when you become an experienced doctor. One day you can sit at the primary healthcare center, or at any hospital, and then treat the people who need it the most. So all of these things, I think, uniquely establish the fundamentals of what MBBS course is all about, and what your MBBS life is going to be all about. As a medical student, you're going to face a lot of ups and downs, a lot of cries and laughs and all of those things. It's going to be a roller coaster, take my word for it, but it's going to be a fun roller coaster. Roller coasters are always fun. I wanted you to see that MBBS does not have to be about devouring books or just mugging up. It's all about balance. It's all about balancing your social and your study life, and I know that MBBS is going to be a fun experience for you. If you've already done your MBBS, I know it was a fun experience for you. I know you're in my team, and if you're not an MBBS student, and if you have made it this far in this video, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you got an idea of how crazy us MBBS kids can be. Yeah. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys very soon. Bye bye, take care.